Hey, what's up, everybody, and welcome to a new episode of AI Weekly Wrap Up of News. Deep learning model classifies and detects heart disease. Okay, so algorithms are used now in health sector for detecting all kind of diseases and also identifying and getting solutions also. OpenAI on track to top 1 billion revenue. Obviously, ChatGPT is their biggest product, as well as the image creator, that is I forgot his name, but then those are the application or chatbot applications that has been giving them a lot of revenues. ChatGPT taps into Canva to create images. This must be interesting for some of my friends who are using Canva. Further, in politics, and many people are seeking AI for their solutions as well as day-to-day works. Okay, student innovation. Okay, so okay, better than your board for student innovation and AI porn explosion. But okay, that is of no use for me. Yeah, I can skip that. School boards lack formal policies for AI as students return to class. So students are now more attracted towards using AI to get solutions rather than asking teachers or something. So yeah, there are some certain concerns on that side. AI chatbots may carry cybersecurity risks. Yeah, that was also we discussed in the last video where there can be your private data can be leaked. Improving breast cancer, we discussed about it, application in the health industry, and Biden orders ban of US investments certain China technologies. Okay, this is kind of very generic. Okay, prosecutors in all 50 states urge Congress to strengthen tools to fight AI child sexual abuse images. Okay, so there has been a kind of lot of fake images or accusations, fake videos, and fake images, videos, as well as fake music, or fake that voice means your voice being recorded and being projected as you're asking money or something. So all these fake activities are now predominant because of advent in AI and the tools. And the easier the world gets with tooling, the more people are gonna use it for scamming others and extraction, and then extortion, bribery, etc., etc. So yeah, then the rules and regulations, and also there has to be policies in place to fight against it. Ethical learnings has to be given in the universities, and also people have to be aware of what they are dealing with or handling with. Okay, so moving forward, then Warner Music signs a record deal with the first AI virtual pop star. So this is a live example of how the jobs are gonna affected. If we are not at par with AI, then yeah, this the offer that could have been signed with someone else, but yeah, now uh, yeah, AI is also into music, and although in novels, and you can create a novel within seconds, but then so yeah, that money who was for which could have been for a real person now goes to a AI virtual pop star. And others that is of no interest. Building AI for business, IBM. Yeah, IBM in the last episode also regarding Watson X, we discussed that IBM is investing a lot on enterprise applications and AI enterprise applications, like we have SAP, this big application. So IBM is inducing or like introducing co-pilots or automatic like through syntaxes, or through I forgot its name, what it is called. Okay, through proper syntaxes, we can generate correct results. So IBM is investing heavily on introducing some co-pilots in the applications, or some maybe there is a region where if you have a problem, or if you have a syntax error, then you can the prompts. Yeah, heavily investing on prompts to support the users. Okay, moving forward, we must shape the AI tools that will, in return, shape us. That is absolutely true. Now we are shaping it, but the time will come when there is when the AI in level 4, I guess, where it has also the capabilities of emotions and taking decisions. So the CEOs are getting replaced with AI, some AI, virtual AI, and then yeah, we have to start thinking about it because the development is going happening rapidly. So we also have to think the repercussions of it. Robot stock analysis, that is, some of the players have access to this, and there is big things going on there. New AI products focus legal minds on privacy and costs. Yeah, on that part also there is thinking going on there. AI funds dominate European thematic ETF flows, and there is a lot of development going in the blockchain area also. Okay, AI, my nightmare is to die, then be in an advert. Okay, this is AI models training on copyrighted music. Yeah, this is one of the big difficulties in the music industry where copyright issues and people copying other people's work and making some changes in it or modifying it, like setting the tone, pace, or making some changes to the music background, or remixing it to something else. Then yeah, to handle those kind of things and to give benefits or royalties to the creators, yeah, AI models are being trained to handle those parts. For feuding tech giants, okay, AI Summit, okay, this is nothing. SAP acquires Lean IX to focus on AI assisted IT modernization. As I just mentioned about the co-pilot thing, or assistance by AI during when there is a syntax error, like for example Databricks, or in Power BI also they introduce co-pilots, where if there is some issues with the syntax, then we can directly refer to it and get immediate support. Or if I have to make an API or something, then also I can get support. Generative AI for 3D world creation. Okay, so AI is also supporting, because this uh, remember when NFTs, like 1 year or 2 years back, there was a huge burst or craze about NFTs, and Meta creating its virtual world, people buying land in the virtual reality, etc., etc. So then, okay, AI being also being used to create this 3D world creation. Okay, okay, that's fascinating. That's fascinating. Making a sales call, auto AI. Okay, so also into, because now AI with the through voice, they have this voice recognition capabilities. Now they can also, if the languages are trained in such a way that they can also make a call and convince the users or make a good pitch, then that is also okay. So people are very uh, creative with their ideas about application of AI. A clone of yourself with Delphi. Oh wow. People really need to read about this, huh? AI training, huh? So the companies have to really invest in AI for AI training, because if that is the future, then the existing people have to start training on how to handle it, and how to be creative with it. AI is not a threat to human jobs; it's a catalyst for growth and innovation. That's absolutely true. DALL-E, yeah, the one of the product of OpenAI also. The best AI tools for image generation, yeah. But then it asks money. It's subscription based, so yeah. Mm, yeah, I don't want to invest in subscription and then create images, then fake it and post it into some events and then win. So yeah, I will avoid that. Okay, these things we read. New physics cell based learning mechanics could replace current artificial neural networks and save energy. Oh, wow. So, convolutional neural network or other kind of neural networks being used. Okay, physics based self learning machines. That's fascinating, but to me, it's an alien word. But okay, all the best, guys. Te- Tencent claims new AI chatbot skills to comparable to ChatGPT. So everyone is trying to, because ChatGPT has become like a standard, and anything less than that, then that is not acceptable at all. I also use ChatGPT in my day-to-day works, in fact daily. So I know how user-friendly it is. So anything less than that, I am not opting it for sure. Even I think I have become a brand loyal to ChatGPT. Australia asks search engines to stop AI created images of child abuse. Yeah, here, yeah, things means law has to be enforced to stop people from using AI for their advantage and sabotage someone's life, or stop AI from for a few bucks they are creating disturbances in other people's life. I hope that they shouldn't do it. 3 days using AI. Okay, wow. Police catch 300 drivers breaking law in 3 days. So this guy is, yeah. Why, dude? Why? What is the need or urge of it? Are you so dependent? Have you lost your creativity that you cannot answer and you're searching or texting or asking ChatGPT for response? Yeah, okay, so there is upgradation, uplift, so to the existing AI languages, and yeah, heavy investment, millions of euros per day. Google says political ads must disclose use of AI. Power in treating male infertility. Oh wow, then wow, wow. So at one point of time, maybe human beings are not needed anymore. So with because I also heard that fetus, like we don't need the females anymore because artificial wombs have come into play, and then if AI is also able to create sperms, then yeah, there is no need of human being. Also, they can create this half humans and half machines, or biological humans, something like that. They can create and run the world. AI can threaten personality. That's true, because it first of all it made our life so easy that we have lost our way of we have lost our creativity. People are solely dependent on what AI's response is, and etc. etc. So who wants to do hard work? Everyone wants to shortcut results. Okay, what is the next stock? What is the next? How this algorithm can solve? Explain me this code, etc. etc. Okay, create this code for me. So everything is done by AI only now. The generative AI boom could fuel a new international arms race. That's true. The next war, World War IV, will come not with nuclear arms, but with data. That is for sure. Moving forward, online AI-based test of Parkinson's disease severity shows promising results. Okay, so this is all are like applications of AI into testing personalities and identifying the disease, etc., etc. That's all we covered, and I think those are the interesting things that we saw. And the most interesting thing was application in Canva and detects heart disease. So application of AI in world of health has been a lot now, and slowly it's increasing. Even India is not going behind. So India, this is one of the richest man in India. So Reliance partners with NVIDIA to build large language models. So they have created their own team also. Wow, that's good. So everyone is now, at one point of time they were racing against space. How who can create faster rockets? Who can create more efficient rockets? Now it's all about tech and AI. Who can create more advanced robots and more advanced language models? So overall, at the end of the day, everyone is it's always the survival of the fittest, and everyone is racing against each other. I hope people like me take the benefit out of it, and hopefully we survive another 50 years with the knowledge that I have currently. Otherwise, learning at the age of 65, that's kind of difficult also. But then we'll see how it goes. Okay, guys, have a nice day, and we'll see each other in the next video. Till then, goodbye.